There's a reason scaling your fashion brand feels impossible.
It's the same invisible barrier that keeps the fashion industry dominated by a few massive companies,
while you and every other independent brand are left fighting for scraps.
We can all agree that textile manufacturing is really fucking difficult. Finding a new supplier takes forever. You get ghosted, delays, and product faults mess with your drops and timelines. And the truth is, it's not you. It's an outdated system. At Labwear, we're changing this.
Over the past 5 years, we've helped over 600 brands realize their productions. That's 5 years of mistakes, learnings, and growing a powerful global network that we've now used to build a digital manufacturing platform designed specifically for your needs.
One single interface from design upload to finished quality control in a smooth process that you won't find anywhere else. Instant access to a global network of vetted factories with an unmatched range of capabilities. Labwear OS makes manufacturing more accessible, more reliable, and more predictable, so you can focus on building community and designing sick products. It's that simple. If independent brands can manufacture like the big ones, we can flip the fashion industry on its head.